Hi guys, time for a quick warm up. 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44. 5 times 11 is 55. 6 times 11 is 66. 7 times 11 is 77. 8 times 11 is 88. 9 times 11 is 99. 10 times 11 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 11 is 132.
Hi guys, welcome back to Inea's Finances. I'm Inea, I'm 9 years old, and today I've got a special guest with me, my cousin Tavia.
Hi guys, I'm Tavia. So Inea, what will we be talking about today?
Today we will talk about multiplication. I know sometimes maths can be very boring, so in today's video I'll be making it fun. Tavia, do you know how to answer this question called 2 times 2?
No, Inea, how do you answer it?
So, you need to show it visually. Can you help me please?
Okay.
So you need to put 2 dots or circles. Okay, that's 2. And then you need to do 2 more.
So there's 2 across and 2 columns.
Yeah. Now we need to count the circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4.
So Inea, can we do another one?
Yeah, we can do 6 times 3.
Okay. So I'm going to do 6 across and 3 columns going down because we're doing 6 times 3.
Okay. Okay, so we have 6 up here and 3 columns. Now we need to count these circles. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. Let's do one more.
Okay, let's do 5 times 4.
Okay.
So what we would do 5 across and 4 columns going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
So we've got 5 circles in a row, and we've got 4 columns. So we've got 5 up here and 4 down here.
Now let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 circles. 5 times 4 is 20. Thank you, Tavia, for being here today.
It's okay, I had a lovely time.
The key tip today is remember that you need to show you're working out when you're multiplying. You can do it. You are amazing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for all my newest videos. Bye!